If you have a blog, or you have created many pages for your website without adding content, and you need to know exactly what they are, so you can edit or delete them, but you have more than 1,000 posts or pages to review, it will take you a lot of time, and it is a tedious task. To help you with this, we want to show you how to quickly find and delete all posts and pages with empty content. We'll do it using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin, which creates an intuitive spreadsheet inside WordPress, but that spreadsheet is not just to see your posts, pages, or custom post types information, but you can edit them in seconds. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we are ready to search for all the posts or pages with empty content. To do this, we'll open the posts spreadsheet for this example, but remember that everything applies to the pages spreadsheet as well. Now let's open the search tool. Tickle here to enable the advanced filters. Then select content. The operator will be equal. Now leave the value field empty. And let's run the search to display all the posts with empty content. After you've filtered the posts with empty content, you can edit their content individually just by going to the content columns and editing it. When you're done, just save the changes. If you want to edit and set the same content for some of your posts, you can use the bulk edit tool. For example, you can put a message like, "We're currently working on this post." For this, select the rows to update, in this case will be all for my current search. Then, select the field content. Choose to set the value. And add the message here. Finally, execute and the message will be added to all the selected posts. As you can see, you don't have to spend hours again, finding and editing your posts and pages, as it is really easy if you use WP Sheet Editor. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.